Hello everyone, I'm Minipack founder Wilson Wang. This is our mold shelf. First, this one is a list of all our mold. It's more than 1,000 pieces mold, and my workers every day he will take off. Here there is the numbers, and then he will take what products he want to produce. When he use it, he will take it out, and then after use that, he will put it inside. So to keep all the products, all the production processes is correct. Thank you. This process is for remove the waste. After the cutting, we have to take off the waste. My workers will take the after the cutting material and then put on this machine. This machine is called remove the waste machine. And this machine is also our company to create it by ourselves. You can see our logo on that. And then the paper will be inside, and after that, the waste paper is done, and the semi-finished products is off. And then the semi-finished paper is put here. It's ready for the next processes. Now, after take off the waste, and we put all the semi-finished products here, and after that, the waste of that, he will throw it away, and then the waste of that, throw it away, and then we sell the waste of the material. It's recyclable, so our company is no pollution. Thank you.